Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I'm with the LW-K740PX and I'm going to show you what it might look like when you need to clean your printhead and how to clean it. If you're printing labels and notice a consistent void line throughout your label like this, that's an indicator that it's time to clean your printhead. Let's clean the printhead. We're going to start with the printer off, open the door and remove the tape cartridge. Now the printhead is this element here with the copper and the green. That's the part we want to wipe down. So we're going to use our cotton swab and rubbing alcohol or something equivalent and just get it wet and wipe that down. Perfect. Give it a second to dry and then put the tape back in and get right back to labeling. As you can see, the line in the print is gone. That's how easy it is to clean the printhead on the LW-K740PX. If you have questions on this printer or want to chat about your labeling needs, our local support team is here to help. Thanks again and happy labeling!